Are you training hard, pushing yourself to the limit every session, but still not seeing the muscle growth or results you truly want? It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter, and the real secret lies in understanding amino acids. Today, I'll break down which amino acids actually drive muscle growth, speed up your recovery, and help you smash your fitness goals. Stick around for my top supplement recommendations to maximize your gains and take your training to the next level. Let's dive in. Meet leucine, an essential amino acid that acts as the master trigger for muscle growth and recovery. Often called the king of muscle-building amino acids, leucine is absolutely crucial for anyone looking to maximize their gains and build a stronger, more defined physique. Leucine flips the mTOR switch inside your cells, sending a powerful signal that tells your body, it's time to build muscle. Without this signal, muscle growth simply can't be fully activated. Scientific research shows that getting enough leucine, especially after intense workouts, leads to greater muscle growth, even if your total protein intake stays the same. It's not just about how much protein you eat, but how much leucine you get. You'll find high amounts of leucine in whey protein, as well as in classic muscle-building foods like chicken, beef, fish, and eggs, making them staples for athletes and gym-goers. But if you want to guarantee you're hitting the optimal amount, a leucine supplement right after your workout can deliver a fast, powerful boost to your muscle-building efforts. Without enough leucine, your muscle-building potential is limited, no matter how hard you train or how much effort you put in at the gym. So always ask yourself, where's my leucine coming from, and am I getting enough to truly unlock my muscle growth? Next up is isoleucine, the endurance booster. This essential amino acid is a key player in helping athletes and fitness enthusiasts go the extra mile, both literally and figuratively. Isoleucine helps your muscles use glucose for fuel, keeping your energy high and workouts strong. It's especially important during long or intense training sessions, when your body needs a steady supply of energy to keep pushing forward. It also supports blood sugar control and aids muscle repair after tough sessions. By helping your muscles recover faster, isoleucine ensures you're ready to tackle your next workout with less downtime and reduced soreness. Found in the same foods as leucine, such as fish, dairy, lentils, and nuts, it's essential for pushing through fatigue and maximizing performance. Including these foods in your diet can help you meet your isoleucine needs naturally. Leucine starts the process, but isoleucine keeps you going, providing the stamina and resilience needed to finish strong even when the going gets tough. Make sure it's part of your nutrition plan, whether through whole foods or supplements, to support your endurance, recovery, and overall athletic performance. Valine, the mental edge you need. Valine fights central fatigue by blocking tryptophan from entering your brain, delaying that "I'm done" feeling. This means sharper focus and more reps when it counts. It also helps with muscle metabolism and recovery, working alongside leucine and isoleucine. Valine keeps your mind and body in the game so you can push past plateaus. Don't overlook this key amino acid. Glutamine is your recovery powerhouse. During intense training, your body can't make enough. Supplementing helps speed up muscle repair and supports your immune system. It reduces soreness, helps clear waste from muscles, and keeps your gut healthy for better nutrient absorption. Staying healthy and recovering fast means more consistent progress. Add glutamine post-workout to bounce back stronger. It's a must for anyone training hard. Want a better pump? Arginine is your go-to. It boosts nitric oxide, widening blood vessels for more nutrient and oxygen delivery to your muscles. This means better performance, faster recovery, and that satisfying gym pump. For an even bigger boost, try citrulline. It raises arginine levels even more effectively. Look for these in your pre-workout for maximum results. Enhanced blood flow means better gains. BCAAs are great for kickstarting the muscle-building process, but if you want to maximize your gains and truly support muscle growth, you need all 9 essential amino acids, EAAs. While BCAAs play an important role, they're just one part of a much bigger picture. Think of BCAAs as the foreman on a construction site, directing the work. But without the other 6 EAAs, the building materials, your body can't actually build or repair muscle tissue effectively. If you're missing even one of these essential amino acids, your body's muscle-building process slows down, leaving you feeling stuck and making it harder to see results from your hard work in the gym. EAA blends outperform BCAAs alone, fueling muscle growth, speeding up recovery, and helping to prevent muscle breakdown after intense training sessions. For best results, take EAAs before, during, or after your workouts. This ensures your muscles always have the full spectrum of amino acids they need to repair and grow stronger. Upgrade to a complete EAA formula and give your body the ultimate muscle-building insurance so you never miss out on gains due to missing nutrients. Give your body everything it needs to recover, grow, and reach your full potential, one workout at a time. Now you know the amino acids that unlock muscle growth and help you reach your full potential. Prioritize a complete EAA supplement, especially one high in leucine, and add glutamine for recovery and better muscle repair. Take them before or during workouts to boost endurance, maximize your training, and speed up results. Apply this blueprint, stay consistent, and watch your progress skyrocket as you transform your body. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Are you using BCAAs or EAAs? Let's crush those goals together and keep each other motivated.